Welcome to the Whitewater Nature Preserve. This preserve is considered a prairie biome due to the many plant species we have here. All the plant species here are native to Wisconsin and northern Illinois, such as the yellow coneflower, the white wild indigo that is often preyed upon by the sandusky wing caterpillar, the purple prairie clover, which is an edible plant, very high in protein, Indian grass, which can grow upwards of 7 feet tall on the prairie, and many more. Even some that we don't necessarily want here.
Fires help remove dead plant material, enabling prairie grass seeds to more easily find their way down to the soil. A prairie fire also eliminates competition from other plants that might take nutrients and resources from fledgling prairie grasses. Fires help to speed up decomposition to return nutrients to the soil. Nitrogen-fixing legumes have increased growth after fires, which helps restore nitrogen back into the soil. Buckthorn is detrimental to the health and future of our woodlands, prairies, wetlands, and parks because it takes over large areas, destroying wildlife habitats and food, and outcompeting other important native plants that we need for a stable, healthy ecosystem. Honeysuckle damages forest communities by outcompeting native vegetation for light, below-ground resources, and by changing forest structure. The vines overtop adjacent vegetation by twining about and completely covering small trees and shrubs. Garlic mustard grows and spreads rapidly and invasively, an uncontrolled weed, choking out native plant species and negatively impacting the herbivores that depend upon them for food. The nature preserve was originally used for agriculture before being purchased by UW-Whitewater. As such, clearing invasive species was paramount. Through hard work and time, the land was restored to its native prairie ecosystem. The first purchase of the nature preserve was made in 1970 and consisted of 40 acres of oak-dominant hardwood forest. Today, the preserve has been expanded to a total of 100 acres. These purchases were made through the Land and Water Conservation Fund, so developments to the property are restricted to that of conservation and recreation. We hope you give Whitewater Nature Preserve a visit sometime. You won't regret it.